Hello and welcome back guys to SolveWork Tutorials. In today's video we will see how to create a new exercise. This is the Model Mania 2011 part. Model Mania is a design challenge hosted by Dassault System every year. We will create this part. Let's start now. Select new from here. Select part. Make this plain white background. Now select top plane and sketch from here. Now select circle and start a circle from this point. Create two circles, right click and select. To exit from any command, use escape button on your keyboard. Now select center line, join the center of these two circles, exit. Now select perimeter circle and start from this point and select this circle and this circle. Right click, exit. Now select trim entities and trim this part. Now drag this arc above the center line. Now give this assign dimension to this center line, make it 60 mm. The circles, the circle is 40 mm. Now select this circle and hold down Control key on your keyboard and select this circle. Make equal relation. Now this radius is 40 mm. Now right click on the center line, select midpoint. Now hold down Control key and select the origin. Make coincident. Now select mirror entities. Select this arc, mirror about the center line. Now select trim entities, trim this part. Okay. Now select go to features and select extruded boss base. Make this 30 mm. Okay. Now select fillet. Make the radius 6 mm. And select this edge. Okay. Now this time select shell feature from here. In the thickness, make it 3 mm and select this face, bottom face. Select here show preview. Now you can see the preview. Okay. Now see, a cavity has been created inside the body. Now select front plane, sketch. normal. Now create a circle, right click and exit. Select this circle and this edge, make tangent relation and select the center of circle and the origin, make vertical. Now give it the diameter, it's 26 mm. Now go to feature and select extruded boss base. Now from here select offset. Now the sketch will be offset from the body. Select the distance 20 mm. Make 1 second, is 20 mm. Okay. Make the direction 1 reverse, and in the end condition make it up to next. Now see, this part is going to be extruded up to this body, not through all body. If you select blind, this will be gone to this body. If you select through all, so we don't need to create this, we only need to select up to next. Okay. Now go to mirror and select the front plane as the mirror plane, and select in the feature to mirror select boss extrude to. Okay. Now select this face and sketch normal, create a circle. To find the center of this circle, move the cursor over the edges. See here, the center has been shown. 16 mm. Now go to extruded cut, select through all direction. Okay. Now select this face, sketch normal, select circle. To find the center, again move your cursor over the edges. See, make equal relation between the circles, make equal. 22 mm diameter. Now select extruded cut through all. Now select fillet. Three mm fillet. Get 3 mm. Select this edge. It will automatically select all the connecting edges. Now move the part and select this edge. You can see the preview. Okay. This is the Model Mania 2011 Phase 1. Now assign the color. Select appearance from here. Make sure here the part 2 is selected. Now give it the yellow color. Okay. Assign some material, plain carbon steel. Assign the material first, after that give it the appearance. Now save this. Exercise 2. Thank you for watching. For more videos, subscribe our channel and drop a like below if you like the video. And for any doubts, uh, drop a comment below. You can also visit Mac Learners for any doubt or any assignments. Thank you.